I have two rubber balls. Observe their behavior when I drop them. You didn't expect that, did you? Let's watch again. Why does one bounce and the other one not bounce? The rubber balls are the same size. They have the same mass. They are even made of the same chemical. What is different? Here's a plate of spaghetti. Spaghetti is long. When you pile some on your plate, the strands get all intertwined. When a small child is given spaghetti, it is often chopped up into tiny pieces. That makes it easier to eat. That's because the long spaghetti resists the tension from your fork due to the tangles in the strands. Chopped up spaghetti has less tangles and less resistance. What does this have to do with the balls? Material objects are made of elements or molecules. Many familiar molecules, such as water, are made from just a few atoms. Rubber is a type of chemical called a polymer. A single molecule of rubber can be made of hundreds or even thousands of atoms. These atoms form long chains. Rubber is like spaghetti. In the happy ball, the rubber molecules are really long. This means that there are lots of tangles. When the ball gets deformed, those internal tensions pull the ball back to its original shape very quickly. The happy ball literally springs up off the ground. In the sad ball, the rubber molecules were cut shorter. There is much less tangling and therefore less tension and therefore less resistance to shape changes. When you drop a sad ball, it does not spring back up. You saw that the balls bounce very differently. Let's look at another experiment. Here I have a ramp set up with a wooden block standing up at the bottom of the ramp. I plan on rolling each ball down the ramp. Which ball, the happy ball or the sad ball, is more likely to knock the target block down? Remember, each ball has the same mass. Each one will go down the same ramp. That means their speeds will be the same at the bottom. If m and v are the same, that means each ball will have the same momentum when it hits the block. Let's observe what happens. The sad ball does not knock the block down. The happy ball does knock down the block. Is that what you thought would happen?